Okay, listen. Don't judge this video by its camera or sound. Just listen carefully because something I say today might actually solve a problem in your life. Have you ever walked away from a conversation and replayed it in your head for hours, thinking, what did I say that? Why did I say that? I should have said something better. Did I sound weird? Yeah, most people don't talk about this, but it's more common than you think. You are not awkward. You are not bad at talking. You are just overthinking, okay? And overthinking does not just ruin conversations, it destroys your confidence slowly over time because every interaction starts to feel like a test. Here is what actually happening. Instead of being in the conversation, you are inside your own head. You are analyzing yourself, filtering your words, trying to sound perfect, and that pressure it kills natural communication because conversations were never meant to be perfect. They were meant to be real. But the most moment you try to control everything, you lose the flow. Let me give you something simple. Overthinking happens when you focus in the wrong place. You are focused on how you sound, what to say next, how you are being judged. But confident people, they focus on the other person. They listen, they respond, they stay present. That's the difference. So, here is a simple rule you can use immediately. Stop trying to say the perfect thing. Start saying the simple thing. Instead of overthinking, just respond naturally. Like example, someone says something, you don't need a smart reply. Just say, that's interesting, tell me more. That's it. Conversation continues. And if you are getting value from this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button because I break down real self-improvement in a way you can actually use. Another thing you need to understand, awkward moments are normal, silence is normal, pauses are normal, but you treat them like failure and that's why you panic. Simple. Listen, confidence is not about never feeling awkward, it's about staying calm in every situation, even when things are not perfect. Stop telling yourself, I am bad at conversation. Start telling yourself, I am learning to stay in present because your identity shapes your behavior. And if you want a clear step-by-step system to fix overthinking and improve your communication, I have broken everything down in my book, How to Improve Your Social Skills. You can find it in the description or in the channel about section. It's practical, not motivational. Also, there is a surprise waiting for you on this channel, so don't forget to check it out after this video, okay? At the end of the day, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need better words. You just need to stop fighting with your own thoughts and start being present. Because the best conversations don't come from thinking more and more. They come from thinking less. Alright, I appreciate you to watching this video. Love you guys and I will see you in the next video.